everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel Colors of Life with Fakiha. If you are new here, I'm Fakiha. Today I am super excited to show you one of my favorite and newest lip pout set from Sephora favorites. If you want to see the details, then please keep watching. Here is the closer look of the set. This set retails for $34 US at Sephora. And it includes 5 gorgeous lip products, 3 full size and 2 deluxe size. So here's a twist. Actually, I bought 2 of them because I'm pretty sure that this will going to be out of stock soon, and this is definitely worth the money. So I already opened one set because I have to make reel for you all. So I'm going to show you this one because it is already opened. You know what? I have a problem. Whenever I like something, I ended up buying 2. Here is the previous one. This is out of stock nowadays, and I haven't seen on their website, not even at Kohl's. So I liked this set as well. That's why I bought 2 of them. And you can see this one is still unopened. So yeah, this is the thing. Like I mentioned earlier that I already opened one for the reel. So here are the products. 3 full size and 2 deluxe or mini. Let's start with full size. This one is Rare Beauty Kind Words Matte Lipstick in shade Humble. This is the second full size product. Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution Pillowtalk Medium. This packaging is difficult to show in camera. I hope you can see. This is very shiny, that's why. Third full-size lip product. Glossier Ultralip in shade Villa. This one is mini. Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plumper in shade Honeysuckle. And the last product, which is mini, and this one is the cutest. Clarins Lip Comfort Oil in shade 04 Pitaya. I hope I pronounce it correct. One thing I forgot to mention here, that in this video I will only do lip swatches. I already told you guys that I have to make reel. That's why I opened this lip pout set. So if you want to see hand swatches, you can check out my Instagram and TikTok. Now let's move on to the lip swatches. First I'm going to use Rare Beauty one. I already swatched this, that's why it looks like that. That's how shade Humble looks like. Second one, Charlotte Tilbury Pillowtalk Medium. I am already fan of regular Pillowtalk shade. That one is my go-to lip color. That's how Pillowtalk looks like. Pillowtalk Medium. Third full-size one, Glossier Ultralip in shade Villa. I'm first time trying this lipstick and it is very hydrating. Shade is also very pretty. Now Tarte Maracuja in shade Honeysuckle. That's how Honeysuckle looks like. Finally, last product of the set, which is Mini Clarins Lip Comfort Oil in shade Pitaya. Those who are following me on Instagram, they know that how much I like Mini products. I have Mini makeup and Mini perfumes. If you get a chance, check out my Instagram. Now let's apply this. That's how Clarins Lip Comfort looks like. Now it's time for my opinion on this Sephora Favorites Lip Pout set. Everybody knows that this Charlotte Tilbury Pillowtalk lipstick itself retails for $35 and this whole set is for $34. So definitely worth the money. Guys, grab it before it runs out of stock because I know that this will going to be out of stock soon. Here is the end of my video. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up and do comment down below. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on my TikTok and Instagram. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.